natural number. If you write natural number, we have to start with 1. Second is 2, third is 3, fourth is 4, and so on. Now we see that 2 is just adding of plus 1, third is just adding of previous of the plus 1, and fourth one is adding of 3 plus 1. Now suppose you have taken another number, even number. I am starting 2. Next number even number 4. 4 is nothing but 2 plus 2. Next is 4 plus 2, 6. Next is 8. And so on, we get the data sequence. Now, we have to read how many type of sequences. Actually, in our syllabus, it is well defined. Type of sequence. Type of sequences. First one, in our syllabus, it is defined arithmetic sequence. Second one, geometric sequence. Third one, harmonic sequence. And some special sequence which is sometimes asked in our questions statement, like Fibonacci and something etc. is also here. Now we have to start with first sequence. Next topic is arithmetic sequence. Suppose we have a sequence defined like T1, T2, and so on T1. Here we call T1 as first term, T2 as second term, and Tn is another term. Now we have to define arithmetic sequence. In arithmetic sequence, we have to take T1 as A, T2 as A plus D. What is D? Here D is common difference. I was writing there T1 is equal to A, T2 is equal to A plus D, T3, that is third term, will be just T2 plus D. Next term will be Tn minus 1 plus D. Now, writing T1 we have A, T2 we have A plus B, T3 is nothing but A, T2 plus D, T2 is A plus D plus D, that is A plus 2D. Now we have T4, then you can add T3 plus D, T3 is A plus 2D plus D, that is A plus 3D, and so on. Tn we can write A plus Tn minus 1D, that is, yes, okay. Here if you write, then you can write A plus 3 minus 1 into D. When T3, 3 minus 1D, when T4, A plus 4 minus 1 into D. Similarly here Tn I can write A plus n minus 1 into D. Now we have an expression nth term of the sequence is Tn, which is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here D is a common difference, and A is first term and n is nth term. Here D can be positive, D can be negative, D can be 0. If D is greater than 0, then our sequence is incomplete. sequence is decreasing sequence. If d is equal to 0, then our sequence is constant sequence. Now, we will solve an example on this topic. Suppose again, if term is 6 and 6 term is 5, find T10. What is the meaning of it? What is T5? As we know very well, T is equal to A plus M minus 1 into B. So what is T5? Here M is equal to 5. Then A plus 5 minus 1 into D, that is over D, which is given, that is 6. This is our first equation. Now T6, that is A plus 6 minus 1 into D, that is 5D, which is given, that is 5. Second equation. If we subtract from equation first to equation second, A minus 0, 4D minus 5D minus D, 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. That is, we are getting here D is equal to minus 1. Now, put D is equal to minus in any equation. I am putting in first equation. In equation first, A plus 4D, that is minus 1, this is equal to 6. A 6 minus 4, right hand side goes 2 plus 4, A is equal to 10. Here we are getting A is equal to 10. What we have to find? We have to find 10th term, that is T10. What is A plus N minus 1 into D? That is 10 minus 1 into D. That is 9D. A is 10 plus 9 into what is D? D is minus 1. That is 10 minus 1. We are getting 10 minus 9. We are getting T10 is equal to 9. Now, we will move next topic.